Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside enjoying the fresh air, really enjoying it. It's a beautiful day today, but I got some guests with me. I got my daughter Scarlett. Say hi, Scarlett.
Hi.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
And also my son Daniel. Say hi, Dan.
Hi, guys. I'm a follow on YouTube. Go look at his videos. It's unreal.
I did not tell him to say that. But today we're going to be doing a quick video about the baby Cichlid. I want to give you guys a quick update on how's he doing and also about the 65 gallon. Another thing is thank you very much for liking and subscribing in the last video of the unboxing of the eBay box. We are going to be doing the unboxing on the dark web box. That should upload next Sunday. Thank you very much and keep watching the video. God bless. Here we have the 65 gallon Yellinaqueon. I did do a 50% water change along with putting in a whole canister filter bucket of bio balls inside of there. I wanted to see exactly how well are the bio balls doing, and I have to say that I would give them a 10 out of 10. I mean, they're just fantastic. As you could see, about 2 days over my weekly water change, and I don't need it, but I will be doing a water change on Tuesday to get just some fresh water inside of the tank. I did want to show you guys how well do these guys eat. I usually feed them about twice a day, but as you can see at feeding time, I mean, they're really active. None of them are fighting over the food, even though they're complete different species fish, but I mean, they're all getting along inside of this tank perfectly. Last but not least, we come to baby Nemo's tank. This is the 10 gallon. This is the baby that I was able to rescue out of the 65 gallon. But his color is coming in very beautifully. He is very active, a bit still shy, but nevertheless, he's just loving his little tank. I did have to put one of the Proctostomus inside of the tank because it was getting really algae just all over the place, so that guy's doing a great job on cleaning. But that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If I could get 20 likes on this video, I will be making a new video about the unboxing of the dark web box. Thanks.